Hello students, we are going to start with part 5 of biomolecules chapter and we are going to discuss about mechanism of enzyme action. So enzymes are substances which acts on substrates and the substrates are then converted into products. Let us see in this picture. So this big blue color thing which we can see in the picture, it is the enzyme. This is the enzyme. And on this enzyme, there are certain sites. These sites are called as active sites. To this active sites, the substrates they get attached to form enzyme substrate complex. Enzyme will not participate in the reaction, but will see that these substrates are converted to products. And once the products are formed, enzyme will separate from the product. So this is the action which is carried out by enzyme. Enzyme has active sites, substrate fits into the active sites, form the enzyme substrate complex, and the substrates are converted into products by the enzyme by their biocatalytic mechanism. Let us see, there are two models which explains how these enzymes work. The first model is called as lock and key model. It was postulated by Emil Fischer in 1894. According to this model, the lock here is the enzyme. So this big part enzyme, it is acting as a lock and it is having some sites. These sites are called as active sites as you can see in the picture. As I am writing, these are active sites. The key is the substrate. This substrate, it is behaving like a key and it fits into the lock to form enzyme substrate complex. This is enzyme E and this is substrate. They fit into each other. Substrate is behaving like a key, fits into the active sites of the enzyme of the lock forming enzyme substrate complex. According to lock and key model, active sites they are having very rigid shape. As a specific lock needs a specific key, here also active sites they are rigid. Only a specific substrate can fix into the active sites of the enzyme to form the substrate complex, enzyme substrate complex. And only the matching substrate will fit properly and then they will be converted into products as you can see in this picture. So basically lock and key model says that active sites on the enzymes are very rigid. They are specific for specific substrate. Enzymes are behaving like locks. Substrates are behaving like key and a specific key fits into a specific lock which will then convert the enzyme substrate complex to form products. This is not very much accepted model. Let us to the next model which is called as induced fit mechanism model. This is more accepted one. It was proposed later by Koshland in 1959. According to this model, it says that the presence of the substrate, the active site will undergo change. So you can see in this picture, this is the enzyme. These enzymes as you can see in the picture have the active sites and when substrate comes in presence of this substrate the active site they are flexible in nature. They will change their conformation, they will change their shape so that it provides a better fit to the substrate into the active site. According to this model, enzymes are more flexible and they are specific for reaction forming the enzyme substrate complex and thus converting them into product. So the basic difference between the two models, lock and key model, enzymes are very much rigid. Here in induced fit model, enzymes are flexible. They change the conformation or size or shape of the active sites. I hope you have understood. In next video, we'll discuss about properties of enzyme action. Thank you.